In this short video series, we are aiming on attempting and break down the questions that are given in the University of London exam papers. Our focus is to address and cater our answers to the expectations, guidelines, requirements of the examiner rather than writing short notes. So in this short video series, we will go through certain most commonly repeated questions at the exam at University of London exams for both first year, second and third years, and we will give you a very basic 2 minutes breakdown of these questions. Hopefully this breakdowns will help you to enrich your answers and score well, get a good first classes, second uppers at the exam. Wish you all the best and stay tuned with this video series. Another favorite question at the University of London public law exams would be the rule of law question. Examiners will give you a question such as discuss the applicability of rule of law to UK. So how are you going to write an answer? This, I would say, quite a straightforward question, but don't write a short note on rule of law. If the examiners are asking about the applicability of rule of law, just say that there is a high applicability or there is a low applicability, limited applicability. So focus on that applicability in sense in your introductions. The rest of your answer is straightforward. Talk about different conceptual introductions on rule of law. Don't get stuck to Dicey. Start from Dicey, Jennings, Paul Craig, Lord Bingham, right? You can Professor Dawkins, you can put H.L.A. Hart, Griffith, right? You can McLaughlin, you can put plethora of authors. I would say at least 10 different authors and contrast them. Secondly, you should focus on cases which focus on rule of law. Entick versus Carrington, GCHQ case, right? So you can take several cases that are historically applicable in terms of its case law. Finally, you should also focus on statutes, right? So you can use statutes such as Constitutional Reforms Act, which in fact codifies the concept of rule of law. You can focus on Human Rights Act. You can talk about how EU law has impacted rule of law. Focus on judicial review, how judicial review as a concept affect rule of law. So make sure you go way beyond Dicey. Dicey should be only your 10%, 5% of your answer. You need to make sure you have a very holistic answer for rule of law and ultimately highlight the fact that rule of law is very applicable for the UK Constitution. So I hope that you will use the materials provided on my website for this answer, and I wish you all the best.